B is the position of an aeroplane which is flying at a height of 3125 meters from the ground, which means BC is equal to 3125 meters. It's given that this aeroplane is flying vertically below another aeroplane, which means there is an aeroplane flying vertically above it. This aeroplane is below another one, which means there is an aeroplane flying vertically above it. We have called that aeroplane A. So this is the first aeroplane, this is the second aeroplane. BC is 3125 meters. From a point D on the ground, the angles of elevation of the planes B and A are measured. So the line through D will be the horizontal. This is the position of the observer. From the same position, the two angles of elevation are measured. So connecting D and B is one line of sight. Connecting D and A is the other line of sight. Now the angle between the horizontal and the line of sight is an angle of elevation. Again, the angle between the horizontal and this other line of sight is the second angle of elevation. The smaller one is 30 degrees, the larger one is 60 degrees. You can see that this magnitude is more than this. So this smaller one is 30 degrees and this larger one is 60 degrees. Now with this information, we need to find the distance between the two planes. That is, we need to find this distance AB. Let's start with the right triangle in which we have two known things. That is, two things which are known to us. So in right triangle BCD, we know angle BDC is 30 degrees and the side BC is 3125 meters. So let's take up that triangle. In right triangle BDC. So for this angle, this is the opposite side, this is the adjacent side. So tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite by adjacent. So tan 30 is equal to BC by CD. The value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to BC is 3125 by CD. So working this, we are able to find the length of the line segment CD. Next, take up the other right triangle ACD. ACD. Tan 60 degrees is equal to opposite AC by adjacent CD. Ignore this line segment BD. Look at the empty triangle ACD. Don't look at this line segment BD. Just ignore this. So in triangle ACD, 60 degrees, tan 60 degrees is equal to opposite by adjacent. AC by CD. The value of tan 60 is root 3. AC is not known to us, but we know that CD is 3125 root 3. So use that here. On cross multiplying, we find AC is 9375 meters. So we know that AC, or we have found AC, which is 9375 meters. Now what do we have to find? We need to find AB. How do we find AB? AB is AC minus BC. AB is AC minus BC. AC is 9375 meters minus BC. BC is 3125 meters. So the difference is 6250. So the distance between the two planes, the vertical distance between the two planes is 6250 meters.